In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change birthday on Sephora account. We will walk through each screen together so you always know exactly where you are. First, sign into your Sephora account. Use your usual email and password, and complete any two-factor prompt if you have it. Once you are signed in, you should see your name or profile icon at the top of the page, along with your points and recent offers. Once you are logged in, click My Account. This is usually near the top right area of the screen. After you click it, a menu or account overview page opens, showing sections like Orders, Beauty Profile, and Account Settings, so you know you are in the right spot. From here, tap Beauty Profile. The Beauty Profile section includes details that shape recommendations, like your preferences and some personal information. When this page loads, you will see several options grouped together, including one for your core account information. Now tap Account Details. On this screen, you normally see your name, email, maybe your phone number, and sometimes your birthday. Take a second to scan the page so you can see what information Sephora currently has stored for you. At this point, it is good to know what is possible. In most Sephora regions, you cannot change your date of birth yourself in your account settings. You need to contact Sephora customer service and request the change. This limitation is there because birthday details are tied to rewards, so they handle changes manually. With that in mind, click Edit Personal Info. After you click it, some fields become editable, like your name or contact details. Notice that the birthday field usually stays locked or grayed out, which is why the self-service change is not available. Next, tap Customer Service. This link or button takes you out of your profile and over to Sephora's Help or Support area. On that page, you will see different ways to get in touch, often with brief descriptions of response times. From there, choose Chat, Email, Feedback, or Phone Support. Pick whichever option you prefer and that is available in your region. For quick answers, live chat is often the fastest, while email works well if you do not mind waiting a bit longer. Once you are connected to support, request that your date of birth be updated. Clearly state that you want the birthday on your Sephora account changed, and mention that you are contacting them from the account details section. They will need to find the correct account, so provide your account email and your correct birth date. Say the month as a word, then the day and the year, to avoid confusion, especially if your region uses a different date format. Support may need to confirm you are really the account owner, so verify your identity if requested. They might ask for details like your billing address or recent order information. Answer these carefully, since accurate answers help the update go through. Finally, wait for Sephora to update your account. Sometimes it happens during the same chat or call, and sometimes you receive a follow-up email once the change is completed. You can later revisit account details to confirm the birthday now shows correctly. You have now contacted Sephora and set up the change to the birthday on your account. If this helped you fix your Sephora birthday, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple account how-tos.